This is why it's so tricky to get to a starter motor. Obviously you've got a drive shaft going through there, so you can't get to anything. The only way you can do is you can go this way. So there's your starter motor. There's your one nut you've got to take off for the live wire. There's your ignition wire, just there, as you can see. You've got one bolt right down there where my finger is. I don't know if you can see it, just there. So that's that one. So once you've got that one out, you've got another one there. And then it should be able to just take the earth off, which is there. Take this one out as well. And then that is your starter motor removed. Thought I'd do that video for you guys, because obviously when you've the engine in, you can't see nothing. So I hope that helps. Thanks for watching.